Now this can be written as 32 whole power 1 by 5. Here value of n is 5, isn't it? Now 32 can be written as 2 power 5. That means 2 can be multiplied by how many times? 5 times. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, isn't it? Now this can be written as 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. This 5 cancel. The final value is what? 2. So that means option number 2 is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See, 127 whole power 1 by 7 is given. So 128. 128 means that is equals to 2 power 7. Remember, 2 power 7. 32. 32 to the 64. 64 to the 128. So 2 power 7 means 2 can be multiplied by how many times? 7 times. Like this previous question. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. This is one. So 128 value is 2 power 7. Now this can be written as 128 whole power 1 by 7. This can be written as 2 power 7 whole power 1 by 7. This 7 cancel. That is equals to 2 power 1. That is equals to 2 power 1 value is 2. So here option A is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. The radical form of 27 whole power 1 by 5 is given. This is a power 1 by n, isn't it? This can be written as nth root of a. That means value of n is what here? 5. Value of a is 27. So this can be written like this. That means what is the answer here? 5 under root of 27 is the answer of the given question. That means option number D is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, a power 1 by n equals to, just now we told in the previous question. So a power 1 by n can be written as nth root of a. This is the formula. That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. The radical form of 15 2 by 3 is given, isn't it? So 15 square whole power 1 by 3. This can be written as like this. So this can be written as 3 under root of 15 square means 3 under root of 15 square means 15 into 15. So this can be written as 3 under root of 15 15 ja 225. So 3 root of 225 is the answer of this question. That means option number C is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. The radical form of 6 power 2 by 3. This can be written as 6 power 2 by 3 can be written as 6 square whole power 1 by 3. This is 3 under root of 6 into 6. That means 3 under root of 36 is the answer of the given question. That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. The exponential form of 4 under root 81. So what is given? 4 under root of 81. 81 can be written as, so 9 into 9. 9 9 is 81. This can be written as 9 square. So that means 4 under root of 9 square. This can be written as 9 square whole power 1 by 4. Which formula? N root A is equals to A 1 by N. Like this using formula. Now this can be written as 9 2 by 4. 9 power 2 by 4. So see, option number A is the right answer of the given question. That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. The exponential form of 35 under root of 105. So this is n root a. This is the formula. This can be written as a whole power 1 by n. That means a power 1 by n. Isn't it? The value of a is here 105. Value of n is here 35. So this can be written in this form. That means 35 root of 105, that equals to 105 whole power 1 by 35. Isn't it? That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See, under root A plus under root B into under root A minus under root B. There is a formula a plus b into a minus b, that equals to a square minus b square is the formula. Here a value is root a and b value is root b is given. Using in this, we get root a whole square minus root b whole square. Square root square cancel. That means remaining is a minus b is the answer of the given question. That means option number B is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. The decimal form of 0.32 bar is given. Isn't it? This means, so 0.32 bar means 3232, like that. Already we discussed in the problems section. So multiplying and dividing with 100, isn't it? But after that we can change the, as per this question, this can be multiplying and something, this is x, and multiplying and dividing with 100, so this becomes 32 by 100, isn't it? So now send this 100 this side, that becomes 100x is equals to 32. Initially the x value is what? 0.32 bar. After that x can be written as x is equals to 0.3232 and so on. So now take this is equation 2 and this is equation 1, isn't it? So this is also 3.3232, like that. Now do the subtraction of equation 2 minus equation 1. 2 minus 1, that means 100x equals to minus x, here 32.32 and so on, here minus 0.3232 and so on. See here this becomes 99x, that equals to, here became 32.000, everything should be 0. That means 99x is equals to 32, then x is equals to 32 by 99. We are sending this side. So x value is 0.3 bar. So 0.32 bar equals to 32 by 99 is the answer of the given question. That means option B is the right answer of the given question. Remember, don't forget. See, a plus b whole square formula. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square, like that. Here root x whole square plus 2 root x y plus y whole square, this formula. This is equals to a plus b whole square. Here a is what? X, root x. B is what? Y. So this root square cancel. X plus 2 root x into y plus y square. Now this can be right in process. X plus y square plus 2 under root x dot y. This is the answer of the given question. That means which option is right? Yes, option number C is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, a plus b into a minus b form. So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. That means a is root 3 and b is root 2. Using here root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square root square cancel. That means 3 minus 2 that equals to 1 is the answer of the given question. That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, bases are same minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, but powers are different. So a power m into a power n into a power p. That means a power m plus n plus p. That formula, isn't it? That means minus 8 whole power 7 by 5 plus of minus 4 by 5 plus of minus 3 by 5. That equals to minus 8 whole power 7 by 5 plus into minus minus 4 by 5 plus into minus minus 3 by 5. Take the LCM. Minus 8. 5 is LCM here. 5 is LCM here. So 7 minus 4 minus 3. This minus 4 minus 3 means minus 7 plus 7 cancels 0 by something, isn't it? So 0 by something means 0 by something means 0 minus 8 power 0, that equals to, there is a formula, a power 0 value is 1. So that means the answer is 1. Option C is the right answer of the given question. Thank you.